So if and when you want to use pre-existing music in your film, what are the steps to clear the rights? First of all, you have to check what is the specific composition you want to use, who controls these rights, negotiate a deal with these parties, enter into agreement with these parties, sign these agreements, pay the license fee and then use the music, but only if all of the aforementioned steps have been accomplished. When you want to use a pre-existing composition for your film, you always have to secure the rights in the composition, except this specific composition is not protected by copyright anymore. Normally, the protection under copyright law is 70 years after the death of the last contributing author to this composition. And therefore, for example, Beethoven's Fifth Symphony is of course in public domain, but modern recordings like Rolling Stones or the Beatles are of course still protected under copyright law.